Here is how to remove these piano black trims on the rear quarter panel for a GX550 and 250 series Toyota Prado. The first piece we'll remove is the Kant rail, just so you know what it looks like underneath. Here's the other side. You've got one bit of double-sided tape and two clips there. So the double-sided tape will be on the front and there'll be the two clips on the side. First step to removing it, the easy way to do it is just to lift this piece up. So you just grab your fingers underneath here and just pull up with a bit of force, and that will relieve some of it for you to get underneath. There will be a little slit here to get some kind of leverage, and then so you just want to like so. Next piece is going to be this one here on the outer side of the quarter panel. This is what it looks like underneath. As you can see, 3 clips only, no double-sided tape, pretty simple. And what you want to do is just pry from the top here, just get your fingers underneath and it will pop out pretty easily. Remember, 3 clips out just like that. So once you get the outer piece off, you'll see that there's a clip here. You just need some kind of trim tool or maybe some kind of flathead. These come out pretty easy. Just get it to a point where you've got a gap underneath. Just get the tool under like that and it will pop out very easily. This is what the clip looks like underneath. Now, the next thing is going to be just a bit of double-sided tape. So you're going to have a bit of tape here in this section and then 2 bits of tape here. There's also going to be clips in between. From here, I'd recommend getting some string, fishing line, or knifeless tape, and then just kind of shimmying it behind to get it the double-sided tape off, just like this. And that first bit will pop off. And then you kind of want to, once you know that you've got the double-sided off, there's going to be a clip. Heard that undo. So then you want to get the piece under on the other side of the clip and start shimmying again. So once you get to the end of the double-sided tape, you can just pull up or even pry from the window. But other than that, it should come off pretty easy, and you can see where the double-sided tape is. Yeah, and then that's the underside. 2 clips, 3 bits of double-sided tape. Just a last second tip, more often than not these little rubber grommets will be left behind from the clips. Just make sure that you take them and put them back on the clips for when you put it back on. And that's how you remove the piano black pieces on the rear quarters of 250 series Prados and Lexus GXs.